Hey guys, in this video I'm going to talk about the 5%ers and what are the important things that you have to be aware of if you want to use it. So you have like many accounts here. You can have like 5k, 10k, 20k here that you can actually like use. And I'm going to talk about like what you can actually find here. So let's say when you go for 10k, you're gonna have like stop out level is like 6%, daily pulse is 3%, profit split is like up to 100%, and for one-time fee here, you're gonna have the step 1. You're gonna have $450. Now, then when you're gonna see here, you don't really have a hard time limit on many challenges. You can take as long as you need to reach the profit target. So the MetaTrader 5 is popular with the 5%ers, and also they allow scaling of accounts capital. So if you like meet profit milestones, you can scale up to 5%. Then also what's trader friendly. Now you have like tight spreads and good execution. So many reviews also claim they offer among the best spreads in prop firm and industry. So this can be like good news for you. Also low cost entry, flexible evaluation, smaller initial funded account sizes or entry costs that are more accessible than many big firms. A variety of programs so traders with different capital risk appetite can choose what suits them. And many traders report successful payouts and reasonable trading conditions. So then, a lot of people like sharing that they like got good results with the 5%ers, and that's also good. But it's like, yeah, it's a good company. Like if you want to use it and if you want to test it out, definitely check it out. You're not going to make a mistake using that. Now I want to also talk about the rules that you're gonna be like, I don't know if you're gonna go for the bootcamp or like many others here that you see right here, like the steps here, and you can like choose on what you want. Now that's pretty much it. So have a great day guys, and goodbye.